Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create Gmail account without phone number. So all you have to do is create your fresh account, new account here. So when you want to confirm that you are not a robot, you can add phone number by virtual. So this one, you can use this virtual SIM or online SIM. You can try to use from other country, for example. You can select the free one here. You can try it for free. So after you select the number, here for example from Britain, you can copy this number and use this for verification. So if this number cannot use to verification, sorry, I change the UK first. You can change to the other country and you can try another number to work it out. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next